Hey guys, 𝗪𝗫𝗄𝗏 here from Bushwakka Africa. Super excited. We've recently partnered up with an amazing rental company, 𝗬𝗪𝗪𝗿 African Safaris. If you're looking to explore and travel Southern Africa, then the guys that you should contact is 𝗬𝗪𝗪𝗿 African Safaris. They've partnered with Bushwakka and we've built them an amazing camping rig with the camelback camper on that. That gives you ultimate luxury. I'm going to take some time this morning just to go through a quick rundown on how easy it is to set up, what you can expect when you receive your camper. Let's start by popping the top latches first. So we have two latches in the front here that need to be released, one either side. Release those. That will allow the pop top to lift up. Then we'll go to the rear end. Here you have a swing out shower arm, which gives you a great shower cubicle to enjoy out in the bush. So this arm swings out 180 degrees. It's got a locking pin there that locks in place. And then out of this bag drops a 1 by 1 meter square shower cubicle, giving you privacy and access to the hot water tap at the back here, and you can enjoy a shower out in the bush from the onboard water. Then we have a spare wheel arm here. Release the latch, bring that in. There's a locking pin at the back that we need to pull up. The arm swings out. There is an additional fly sheet that one can put over here for cooling and for rain conditions. There are some fly sheet pegs that you put in here to support that. All those details you'll see in the full demo that we offer on the camelback on our website. And here at the back we have a little table that drops down. Vanity cabinet at the back, which complements your shower and keep your toiletries and odds and ends in there. Has a swing down mirror, built-in light, and your little pop-up basin. Just click that out like that, it drops in there. So here you can do your toiletries. At the back of you have your step ladder, slides out, locks into position, drops down, giving you access to your back. Pop that back door, release the latches. Which allows you to pop the top up like that. Back door comes out. Another great feature in the back of this camelback is the table that's stored into this area at the back. So you've got a nice little table to set up with your kitchen. Little canvas flap protects the back door rubber. Little elastic over there. Right, we go in, and then in the front, you've got a second pop top. You should just give a lift. This gives you that nice high interior space, insulated top, built-in lights, access to your bedding to set up next. So there's lots of ventilation, good net, protection against the mosquitoes out here in the African bush. Right, so we'll go out and do the bed next. So the bed is a simple action too. Main bed door, latch, open, release, re-engage, drop down like that. It's got a fold-out section which gives you the extended bed. So it's a full 2 meter length of bed by 1.5, so it's a double size basically. Bring this out. This is the frame inside your tent. You just grab that like that. Click. It's got 2 points that click in left and right. That gives you the shape. And then you just proceed to pull this canvas around the bed like that. It's got a couple of elastics underneath that you just hook in. For instance, here's one over here. Hook that in there. And there's about 4 points that you hook on around this canvas bed to secure it. Simple as that. And one can open up this window straight away. That gives you access to helping to fold out the mattress. I'll go inside and quickly flip the mattress out. So you just grab the mattress like that, push it out, and that's your bed. Simple as that. So the kitchen is protected by our 180 awning. It's a very easy awning to set up, strong. It can be used without poles or with poles. And it really gives you that additional protection and shade when you're out in the African bush, especially when it's hot. A couple of straps. Just release those like that. Then we've got one arm, the front arm pulls out first. Got your little ratchet strap. Pull that round. So we have a hook on the end of this one. That comes round and just hooks onto this guy over here. And just give it a nice pull. Pulls that tight. We do the same to the other side. Grab this. Walk around. Or just give it a bit of slack. Pull it up here. Pull it in there. There's a point over there. Just give it a... And that's your awning setup. So as I've said, there's a couple of poles that you can drop down if need be. This flips out. They're adjustable on each arm. Then we have a support pole for the roof. Clips in there. Push in to this point up that, like that. And then one more pole, if need be, that can give additional support to the front here. So that is a good, solid, easy setup awning to protect your kitchen. And then you'll see in each Velcro strap has a little bit of a Velcro at the top there. Just roll those up neatly out of the way. Stick it up there. And that looks neat. And then we're ready to proceed by opening up all your kitchen access doors to the cabinets. Loads of storage space. Your rig will come fully equipped with all the necessities, crockery and cutlery, access to hot water, work surface, your cutlery and crockery. And then here's your fridge, freezer and stove combination. Push this down, pull, out slides a 90-litre fridge freezer, National Lunar product. Complements the kitchen. 2-plate gas hob, cooker top over there, and this great little oven, little gas oven, perfect for really making some great meals out in the bush and warming up food too, and making some bread even, whatever. It's a great little feature. And then another little cutlery drawer underneath here, which will have some of the utensils in. So loads of space to really complement your outdoor experience camping. And all the areas have lighting in, so you've got lighting where necessary, LED lights, onboard power, additional storage cabinets all around, access to your gas, propane, and then I'll just grab the little work surface that clips onto that. That is stored here on the left-hand side of your camper, just in a storage bag. So everything is nicely in bags, put away safely, and in a place that you know where to find it. So this guy just clips on. Just close that door first. It's got a little ridge over there, clips in there. There we go. Open that up, and you've got a little support cable that clips on the side here. Just clips in there. Bring out the tap. Voila, and you're good to go to wash up and hot water on board. And this same hot water system feeds the shower point at the back. And then just another feature, all our lights do have different tricolor, they call them. They can be dimmed. You can change the colors, yellow, red, white, on and off. Keep it pressed in, they then go brighter. So yeah, if you're looking for the ultimate camping experience, you want to rent a vehicle, travel Africa, then contact 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 4x4 African safaris and hook yourself up with an amazing Bushwakka Camelback Land Cruiser rig and enjoy Africa. See those sunsets and make it happen. Bushwakka taking you further.